No one saw this coming. 3I Atlas, once a distant speck on the cosmic horizon, is rewriting the rules of the universe as we know them. This isn't just a course correction, it's a full-blown defiance of physics, leaving scientists worldwide in a state of absolute panic. Every observatory is locked onto 3I Atlas. Emergency meetings are being held behind closed doors. The question isn't if something extraordinary is happening, but what initial projections had 3I Atlas sailing through our solar system like a cosmic wanderer, a fleeting visitor from a distant star. Now, it's like a guided missile, and its target is throwing established science into chaos. Detected back in 2025, 3I Atlas initially seemed like another interstellar object, a rare but predictable occurrence. But the James Webb Telescope immediately revealed something was off. Its composition defied all known models, forget water vapor. This thing was exhaling something closer to pure energy. Its age was staggering, dating back billions of years, practically from the universe's infancy. Still, initial awe hadn't morphed into full-blown alarm. Until now. This isn't instrument error. This is a calculated, almost arrogant shift in trajectory that makes no sense within our current understanding of astrophysics. Magnetic fields are spiking, instruments are overloading, and the radio signals, those are the real kicker. Structured, modulated, complex. This isn't cosmic background noise. This is communication. The signals repeat. They contain prime numbers, universal constants. It's as if someone or something is trying to talk to us using the language of the universe itself. Surface scans reveal something even more unsettling. Geometric structures, metallic alloys that shouldn't exist. This isn't a naturally occurring object. It's engineered. NASA's Deep Space Network is working overtime, pulling in terabytes of data, confirming the impossible. 3I Atlas is operating on a level of technology we can scarcely comprehend. The problem isn't just understanding it, it's understanding why. The course correction puts 3I Atlas on a collision course, not with Earth, but with Mars. A near miss that sends shivers down the spines of mission controllers, the Mars Reconnaissance. Orbiter, Maven, Mars Express, these are billion-dollar spacecraft, not designed to withstand intense electromagnetic interference. Their fate hangs in the balance, but with risk comes opportunity. This is our closest look ever at an interstellar object displaying signs of advanced technology. Mars-based instruments will capture images beyond our wildest dreams, assuming they survive. Communication lag adds another layer of complexity. With a 14-minute delay, controllers are reacting to events that have already happened. International cooperation is paramount, sharing data, combining resources, hoping to glean every possible insight from this unprecedented encounter. Theories are flying, most of them terrifying. NASA clings to the natural explanation, desperately, searching for exotic ices or photochemical reactions to explain the impossible. But the data doesn't support it. Some physicists whisper of dark matter interactions, forces beyond our current grasp. Others, like Avi Loeb, are more direct. This is artificial. SETI researchers are analyzing the signals, applying alien communication protocols, finding patterns suggesting compressed interstellar information transfer. But the most chilling theory comes from classified government sources. 3I Atlas isn't exploring, it's fleeing, running from something so terrifying, so incomprehensible, that our instruments can't even detect it. MIT cryptography teams have cracked parts of the code. The signals aren't just structured, they're directed at Earth. Layered information hidden within navigation data wrapped in star charts, a roadmap to somewhere unknown. The first layer reveals precise stellar coordinates using pulsar timing, so advanced it redefines cosmic measurement. The second layer, government agencies are in lockdown. Predictions of solar activity, magnetic fluctuations, space weather, all 97% accurate. Either they have incredible predictive models, or they're actively monitoring our solar system with technology beyond our imagination. The third layer, NASA won't talk about it. Sources hint at mathematical frameworks that solve the greatest unsolved problems in physics. Unified field equations, faster-than-light communication protocols. As 3I Atlas draws closer, signal strength is increasing. Ancient technology is waking up, preparing for something programmed billions of years ago. International intelligence agencies are treating these signals as first contact. But the real breakthrough, the one that shifted everything from scientific curiosity to existential crisis, came late one night. Hidden within the signal mathematics, 3I Atlas isn't alone. It references thousands of similar objects scattered throughout the galaxy, following evacuation routes from regions experiencing catastrophic cosmic events. I-Atlas isn't an explorer, it's a refugee, fleeing something that renders entire galactic sectors uninhabitable. Navigation data includes maps of cosmic hazards we've never detected, gravitational anomalies that collapse star systems, radiation zones that sterilize planets, exotic matter, interactions that destabilize space-time. And these aren't random events, they're destruction cascades, advancing through the galaxy in predictable patterns. The civilization that created 3I Atlas calculated the threat's progression and launched automated warning beacons, hoping to save others from oblivion. The decoded timeline suggests that whatever wiped them out will reach our galactic region within decades. The messages include technological specifications for advanced propulsion, radiation shielding, massive space habitats, a survival guide for civilizations on the brink. The signals contain species survival probability assessments based on technological development. Single-planet civilizations have virtually no chance. Only species with interstellar travel and space-based infrastructure have a hope of survival. We're not receiving diplomats or explorers, but digital ghosts of a civilization that knew its end was coming and spent its last moments trying to warn us. It's not first contact, but an evacuation notice. Within hours of decoding the warnings, governments worldwide initiated the largest information suppression operation in history. But the scientific community couldn't be silenced. Surveillance, restricted telescope access, non-disclosure agreements, it all backfired. Encrypted data packages appeared on academic networks. The Science Not Silence movement gained momentum. Amateur radio enthusiasts independently detected and recorded the signals. Conspiracy theorists and legitimate scientists found themselves on the same side. The public deserves to know about discoveries affecting human survival. Controversy exploded when researchers published preliminary findings detailing 3I Atlas's artificial nature. Government pressure only fueled the fire. Social media became a battleground between official disinformation and leaked scientific evidence. The situation reached a breaking point when prominent astrophysicists held unauthorized press conferences, arguing that concealing cosmic threat information is more dangerous than revealing it. We need time to develop survival technologies. Suppression is wasting precious months. Intelligence agencies are now balancing suppression against complete credibility loss. As 3I Atlas approaches perihelion on October 29th, the ancient technology is showing increased activity. Scientists are working around the clock, capturing every data point. Electromagnetic emissions are intensifying. Spectroscopic analysis reveals surface changes, artificial structures responding to solar radiation. Major observatory teams are coordinating an unprecedented international collaboration focused on a single target. The Very Large Telescope, the KEK Observatory, radio telescope arrays across 3 continents. Space-based assets like James Webb and Hubble are providing complementary observations. The data reveals 3I Atlas contains a far more sophisticated technology than initially imagined. Not just a probe, but a comprehensive survival library containing technological specifications, star charts, threat assessments, and cultural archives from its creators. The race is on to decode maximum information before 3I Atlas disappears behind. The Sun in late October, re-emerging in December 2025 for final observations before leaving the solar system forever. The most urgent priority isn't just scientific curiosity, it's determining whether the warnings contain specific information about Earth's vulnerability to the cosmic threats that destroyed the object's creators. We have decades, not centuries, to develop the technologies needed for survival. Tonight, as 3i Atlas continues transmitting ancient warnings, humanity stands at a crossroads. The visitor provides definitive proof that intelligence exists throughout the galaxy, but also reveals advanced civilizations face extinction-level threats. The immediate focus remains extracting maximum information from the remaining observation windows. Scientists prepare for the possibility that sun proximity might trigger responses, programmed specifically for G-type stellar system encounters like ours. Government agencies quietly initiate research programs based on leaked technological specifications, focusing on advanced propulsion and radiation shielding. International space cooperation expands beyond traditional diplomatic boundaries. The information suppression controversy continues to evolve. Worldwide scientific communities are demanding transparency. Debate has moved into public forums, forcing governments to consider partial disclosure strategies. Amateur astronomy networks establish independent monitoring systems, tracking 3i Atlas and searching for additional interstellar visitors. Educational institutions begin incorporating 3i Atlas discovery implications into strategic planning. Warnings become catalysts for accelerated research into technologies that seemed purely theoretical just months ago. But the most profound impact may be psychological. We are not alone, and intelligence itself may be far more fragile than imagined. Atlas will disappear behind the sun within weeks, re-emerging for final December observations before beginning its interstellar journey. But its legacy will echo through human history. The ancient visitor gave us the greatest possible gift: advanced warning, and the knowledge that survival is achievable for civilizations willing to transcend their planetary origins. Whether humanity will heed that warning and develop the necessary technologies to join the galactic exodus remains our time's defining question.